He's wearing a suit. What's going on? I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. And if you watch the whole video, I'll tell you why I am wearing a suit today. But today I'm going to talk about international trademarks. I have spoken frequently that if you have a trademark in a foreign country, it does you no good in the United States unless you register it here. But what about if you've got a US trademark? Well, trademarks, unlike copyrights, are registered and protected country by country. When you're registered in one country, when you get to the border, it does you no good when you step across the border unless you've got registration in that country. So what do you have to do? Well, frequently you have to get an attorney in the foreign country to register your trademark. One of the big differences between most other countries' trademark regimes and the United States is, unlike in the US, in most other countries, you do not have to prove actual use of the trademark in that country to get the initial registration. In many of those countries, you will have to prove use later on, but frequently that is several years after you get the initial registration. And some countries, you never have to prove use to maintain the registration. There are a lot of intricacies, I can say that word, in getting foreign trademark registrations and the timing of doing that under the Madrid Protocol, which is an international treaty governing trademarks. If you file an application in one country, you usually can get a priority application in another country as long as you file in that other country within 6 months of the original filing in the first country. And in the new country, you get the benefit of the original filing date, which is called a priority filing date. There are a lot of other nuances for how to file for foreign trademarks. They're not really appropriate for one of these videos, but I would be glad to discuss those issues with you. Long time ago, a professor of mine came in to class wearing a nice suit. He admitted he'd been out for a while, and his advice was, if your material's not that good, wear a nice suit. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. Be glad to talk with you about your trademarks or copyrights.